Hola chicas, ¿qué tal estáis? Vamos a repasar primero the comprehension of mi barrio en 113, page 113, okay? So vamos a leerlo, okay? So here we start off. Me llamo Adrián, vivo con mi madre y mi hermana en un piso en un barrio del norte de Bilbao. So my name is Adrian. I live with my mom, my sister en un piso, in an apartment. Uh, in a barrio can be like an area or neighborhood of the del norte de Bilbao in the north of Spain, okay? And that was the answer for the first question, okay? Donde vive Adrián? Nuestro piso es bastante grande, so he says our apartment is quite big, luminoso, bright y cómodo, comfortable. Tenemos tres dormitorios, we have three bedrooms, un cuarto de baño, a bathroom, una cocina y un salón comedor. And we have a kitchen and a dining setting. Está en la planta baja de un edificio de 5 plantas. So it's on the ground floor, la planta baja. So floor is planta, baja here is like the bottom or the ground floor. Tenemos suerte, we are lucky, porque como estamos en la planta baja, tenemos una terraza donde podemos colgar la ropa y guardar nuestras bicicletas. Oh, here it says, tenemos suerte, we are lucky, porque como estamos, as we are in la planta baja, tenemos una terraza. So they can have like a balcony, or I suppose a large balcony, okay, donde podemos colgar, where we can hang. Podemos colgar to hang, la ropa, so hang up their clothes, y guardar, to keep nuestras bicicletas, to keep our bikes, okay? En el verano nos encanta comer en la terraza. During the summer, nos encanta, yeah, as you're like works like gustar, we love to eat on the terrace. Los pisos de las plantas de más arriba no tienen más que balcones pequeños. So the flats or apartments más arriba, so higher or above us, más arriba, so arriba was upstairs, above us, no tienen más, don't have much more que balcones pequeños than small balconies, or small balconies. Nuestro piso es muy animado. So our area is really lively. Muy animado. Okay, so yeah. Hay bares, there's bars, okay. Restaurantes de todo tipo, so restaurants of every kind. Y muchas tiendas, como una panadería, such a bakery. Carnicería, butchers, yeah, or meat shop. Pescadería is kind of your fishmongers. Ferretería is like a hardware store or DIY shop. Y unos boutiques y un supermarket, so kind of boutique shops and a supermarket, okay? Hay un buen bar de pinchos. Pinchos, this is a Basque word here. Pinchos is kind of like is kind of like you know like the little the cocktail sausage sticks you get. So in España, if you have a bar de pinchos, it's kind of like a bar. So what they do is you go into the restaurant and you pick up different tapas that have like these wee cocktail sausage sticks on them, and you pick them up. It's kind of the same as tapas, except you're using like cocktail sausage sticks instead of them. Okay, en la esquina de nuestra calle, so in the corner of our street. Nos encanta comer ahí. We love to eat there. Ahí means there. Los fines de semana, at the weekend. Hay un muy buen servicio de transporte público. So there's a really good public transport que sirve bien, which is well connected a nuestro barrio to our area, our neighborhood. La estación de metro más cercana, so the nearest metro station, so cercana here is nearest, está a solo 5 minutos andando. That's the verb andar, which you saw in your past tense there. So it's only 5 minutes walking. De mi piso. Y tardo 10 minutos en llegar al centro de la ciudad. And it only takes me. Tardo means like to arrive. I suppose it only takes me 10 minutes. It only takes 10 minutes en llegar al centro de la ciudad, to arrive in the center of the city. No hay muchos problemas en mi barrio. There's not a lot of problems in my area. Lo que menos me gusta es que a veces es un poco ruidoso, as at times it's a bit noisy. Sobre todo, especially durante las horas puntas, especially during rush hour. Okay, so un poco el vocabulario nuevo, especially like ferretería, DIY store, panadería, bakery, um, pinchos. So pinchos just literally translates as pinchos, but remember it's like the kind of idea of the cocktail sausages you stick into your food. You take them up to the restaurant and they charge you for how many cocktail sausages you've eaten, many of the sticks that you've left at the end. And then andar is andando. Okay, so first question is ¿Dónde vive Adrián? So I said Adrián vive en Bilbao. ¿Cómo es su piso? So I said su piso es bastante grande, luminoso y cómodo. You could also say that there's 3 dormitorios, un cuarto de baño, una cocina y un salón de comedor. ¿Cuántas plantas hay en su edificio? You can say hay 5 plantas en su edificio. There's 5 floors in this building. And ¿dónde come Adrián los fines de semana? So where does he eat at the weekend? You could say hay un buen bar de pinchos donde le gusta comer, where he likes to eat. Here we got the questions in English. First one, advantage of having an apartment on the ground floor. They say they have a balcony, they can hang clothes, store bikes, then they can eat there during the summer. Describe Adrian's neighborhood. I'm just going to write up here, so this was a little bit here. So Nuestro barrio es muy animado, it's really lively. Our bares, there's bars, restaurants of all kinds, lots of shops, muchas tiendas, como una panadería, like a bakery, carnicería, butchers, pescadería, fishmongers, una ferretería, a DIY store, boutiques, it's just kind of fancy shops, and supermercado, a supermarket. And he says there's always a buen bar de pinchos, there's a good tapas bar as well. What's said about public transport? You can say a muy buen servicio de transporte público, so there's a really good public transport which serves their area or neighborhood well. La estación de metro, so the nearest underground stop, está a solo 5 minutos andando. Okay, so only 5 minutes walking to his apartment, so he only about 5 minutes to get to the metro station. Problems, he says, no hay muchos problemas. He says, lo que menos me gusta es a veces es un poco ruidoso, it's a bit noisy. Okay, sobre todo durante las horas puntas, especially during rush hour. Las frases here, the last little bit now. On the ground floor es la planta baja. Our area is lively. Nuestro barrio es muy animado. And that's a really nice phrase for even your own oral work. La estación de metro más cercana, the nearest metro stop. Especially during rush hour, sobre todo durante las horas punta. So that was your couple of questions aquí. The other thing I should have a look at was this listening. So first bit you had to ask was where exactly does Andrea live? So she said she lives in a small apartment, 20 minutes walking from Seville. How does she describe her home? She says no es muy grande, not big, cómodo, comfortable, con balcón, with a balcony with que da vistas maravillosas, with wonderful views of the city. Describe her bedroom. She says there's one room, balcony at the back of the flat, walls are painted white, so las paredes están pintados blancas, posters y un espejo, a mirror. There's cortinas azules, blue curtains, a grey rug. Not a lot of things in her room. She has una cama, a bed, un armario, una mesita de noche, a bedside locker, una lámpara y unas estanterías con libros, so shelves with books. What are her neighbors like? She says her neighbors are friendly and helpful. Okay, she said nos ayuda mucho, they help us a lot. What does she like most about her home? She says that it has tiene una piscina en la urbanización, so they have a pool in their like flat complex. Problems, she says there's mucho tráfico and basura, so remember B-A-S-U-R-A, that basura is your rubbish, so mucha basura. And that's a word you would see a lot también en cositas, sometimes you see even problemas with that, hay mucha basura, B-A-S-U-R, rubbish. Where would you like to live in the future? She says, me gustaría vivir a la costa, she'd like to live at the coast. And the 2 reasons why she thinks so, she said houses are expensive, lots of foreigners or tourists buy houses there, and there's not a lot of jobs at the coast. Okay, so really good job on that. That was bastante bien. There's 2 things I want you to try esta noche. First thing is on página 114, page 114, I'm going to just send you out this track for Raul. So where exactly does Raul live? Describe his apartment. How does he describe his area? So I want you to do those. 1 a 8. Okay, that 1 a 8. You're just going to run through those. And then the next thing I want you to do on Página 115 on page 115, I just want you to translate uno, I think, of 1 to 5 on there. Okay, so it's just talking about mi barrio. So just translate those de español al inglés. Okay, and we will touch base mañana. Okay, gracias, chicas, y nos vemos mañana.